number 1. In this lesson you will learn piano fingering, quarter notes, and how to read and play simple melodies using your right and left hands. For this lesson you will need either a printed worksheet along with a pencil or an electronic version of this lesson. In terms of the instruments, a piano, a simple keyboard, or any keyboard app on your phone will work. The information about free printable PDFs or electronic version of the lesson book can be found in the description below. Let's begin. Piano fingering. Take a look at your fingers. For piano playing, we use specific fingering. The thumb is finger number 1. The index finger is finger number 2. The middle finger is finger number 3. The ring finger is finger number 4. And finally, the pinky is finger number 5. Do not count your left hand fingering from your left side to the right. Always start counting with the thumb. Let's play again. I will name a finger and a hand, and you will find it. Right hand, finger number 1. Left hand, finger number 4. Right hand, finger number 2. And finally, left hand, finger number 5. Well done. Piano fingering is found below or above the notes, like in this example provided. In order to continue our lesson today, we need to learn what is a quarter note. So, what is a quarter note? A quarter note is a round-shaped note with a stem pointing up or down. Each quarter note is equal 1 beat. So why it is equal 1 beat? Imagine a whole apple. If you cut this apple in 4 equal pieces, you will receive 1, 2, 3, 4 quarters, and each quarter is equal 1 piece. That's why quarter note is equal 1 beat. I hope it helps. It is time to play. Lesson 1, exercise 1. To play this melody, position your finger number 2 and finger number 3 on 2 black keys for your right hand and finger number 2 and 3 for your left hand as well. You can choose any 2 black keys, up to you. So, the stem indicates which hand is playing. If your stem is pointing up, your right hand will play. If the stem is pointing down, your left hand will play. Therefore, you will begin with your right hand, finger number 2. Remember, fingering you can find under or above the note. So, right hand begins with finger number 2 and 3. Now stem's pointing down, so your left hand will continue again with finger number 2, 3. Again, you will find the fingering above the note here. Stem's pointing up, I switch to my right hand, 2, 3, 2, 3. And stems are pointing down, I'll switch to my left hand. By the way, double bar line at the end of the song means the end. So, this is the end of our song. Let's repeat. Right hand to begin, finger 2 and 3. Get ready. 2, 3, 2, 3. Stems are pointing down, left hand. 2, 3, 2, 3. Right hand. 2, 3, 2, 3. Left hand. 2, 3, 2, 3. Well done. We have completed 2 attempts. So try to play one more time before we continue with exercise number 2. You did a great job with exercise number 1. Let's continue with exercise number 2. We will use the same strategy. Whenever you see stems pointing up, it means that your right hand will play. Whenever you see the stems are pointing down, it's your left hand. Again, the fingering can be found below or above the notes. All notes are quarter notes in this case. You also have a double bar line at the end that indicates the end of song. So listen to this example. So let's try to play it together. We begin with stems pointing up with the finger number 2, and we will press it 2 times. Then we will continue with finger number 3, and also we will press it 2 times. Continue the same. 2, 2, 3, 3. Now it's time to switch the hand because the stems are pointing down. 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3. Well done. Let's repeat one more time. Right hand, finger number 2. 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3. Left hand. 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3. Excellent. So we did 2 times. Make sure that you play one more time before you proceed to exercise number 3. Hello, my friends. I'm sure you're working very hard and deserve a little break. Did you know that the largest piano is 5.7 meters long? Just to compare, my piano is about 1 meter 30 centimeters. Can you imagine the size of the room to fit that piano? The weight of the largest piano is 1.4 tons, which is equal to family-sized cars. This piano was built in New Zealand by the guy named Andrea Mann, who was only 25, and it took for him 4 years to complete this project. I'm sure you are as dedicated and hardworking as him, so let's come back to our class. Exercise number 3. In this exercise, you will need not only to play it 3 times, but also to provide your own fingering. As you see, there is no numbers under or below the notes, so it means there is no fingering to use for you. Now take a pencil and let's write down the fingering. As you see in the beginning of the song, your stems are pointing up. It means that your right hand playing 2 black keys, and the higher note, as you see, will be finger number 3. So that's why you put finger 3 here. Then you continue with a lower note, which means it's finger number 2. You put finger 2, again the same as that note, 3 and 2. Now, the stems are pointing down. It means your left hand will continue and it will start with the lower note, which means it will be finger number 3. So you put 3 here and you continue with a higher note, which is 2. Again, 3 and 2. Now take a look at this notes, and you will see that these notes are absolutely the same as the notes at the beginning of your composition. So you will simply copy fingering from here to there. And then those left-hand notes are the same as this left-hand note. So copy this fingering over there. Once you're done, you can start playing this song. Position your right hand 2 black keys, left hand 2 black keys, right hand to begin with finger number 3. 3, 2, 3, 2, left hand, 3, 2, 3, 2. Good job, right hand. 3, 2, 3, 2. Left hand. 3, 3, 2, 3, 2. The end. Well done, everyone. So we played 1 time. Continue playing 2 more times, and then proceed to exercise number 4, where you need to add your fingering and play 3 times. Try to do it yourself without my help. Now, finally, exercise number 5. In this exercise, you will need to compose your own melody, add your fingering, and play it 3 times. But before you start with your exercise number 5, let's take a look again at our exercise number 2 or any other exercises. So, have you noticed those straight lines between the notes? Yes, they are similar to double bar line, but if double bar line represents the end of the song, bar lines divide music into measures. So in this particular melody, we can say that we have 4 measures. 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore, a bar line divides music into a measure, and double bar line means the end of the song. Well done, everyone. Once you complete your exercise number 5, you can proceed to lesson number 2. Great job! I hope you enjoyed the class, and I'm sure you did a great job. Please feel free to subscribe, share, and comment. See you next class.